For stronger legs, older adults can benefit from including a few key vitamins in their nightly routine. Many people believe that weak legs are just a normal part of aging. But in reality, that's only part of the story. In many cases, the body is simply not getting the support it needs to maintain strength and stability over time. You may start to notice small changes, legs feeling heavier than usual, a bit of stiffness when standing up, or less confidence while walking. These signs can feel worrying, but they don't always mean that decline is unavoidable. As the body ages, it processes nutrients differently. Muscles, nerves, and bones often need more targeted support, especially at night, when the body naturally repairs and recovers. With the right support, many older adults are able to maintain stronger legs, better balance, and greater confidence in their daily movement. The goal is not to fight aging, but to support your body in a way that helps you stay active, steady, and independent for as long as possible. You might currently notice your feet dragging slightly when you walk, or perhaps a deep, aching stiffness settles into your thighs after simply walking up a short flight of stairs. It is completely understandable to feel profoundly frustrated, overwhelmed, and even terrified when your own body starts feeling like a heavy, uncooperative burden. However, I am here to tell you with absolute certainty that this dangerous physical decline is not entirely your fault, and it is absolutely not inevitable. There is a hidden, remarkable truth about your body that the profitable mainstream industry frequently overlooks and actively suppresses. Your body possesses an incredible, built-in repair system that perfectly activates while you are sleeping, but it urgently requires specific, proven nutritional tools to reverse this accumulating damage. Please take a moment right now to leave a comment telling us exactly where you are watching from today, your current age, and the specific vitamins you currently take daily. We love providing personalized advice to our incredible community, and your active participation genuinely helps us understand your unique struggles while simultaneously allowing us to reach more people just like you. Now, let us dive deeply into the precise, scientifically backed method for correctly addressing this dangerous weakness. The secret lies in a highly specific, 3-vitamin nighttime protocol that meticulously targets the exact biological root causes of your leg weakness and overall mobility decline. When you sleep, your body enters a profound, restorative state of cellular regeneration. But without the correct building blocks, this vital process completely stalls, leaving you waking up feeling weaker than the day before. The absolute first vital nutrient you must replenish to rebuild weak legs while you sleep is vitamin B12. But we are not talking about just any generic, cheap, poorly absorbed version of this essential vitamin that you find on grocery store shelves. You specifically need methylcobalamin, preferably in a highly bioavailable sublingual form that dissolves directly under your tongue. To truly understand why this specific form is so incredibly critical for your mobility, you must first understand the fundamental concept of the myelin sheath. Think of your body's nerves as highly sensitive electrical wires that run all the way from your brain, down your spinal cord, and straight into the very core of your leg muscles. The myelin sheath is the vital, fatty protective coating that securely wraps around these delicate wires, ensuring that the electrical signals from your brain reach your leg muscles with absolute lightning speed and flow. To successfully absorb regular vitamin B12 from our daily food intake or from standard, easily degraded swallowed pills. When your body is continuously starved of this vital B12, the protective myelin sheath begins to rapidly degrade, thin out, and fray like an old, damaged extension cord. This terrifying degradation is the exact biological root cause of dangerous neuropathy, which frequently manifests as painful tingling, frightening numbness, mysterious unexplained aching, and a profound, highly dangerous lack of coordination in your lower extremities. Without a fully intact and healthy myelin sheath, your brain literally cannot communicate effectively with your leg muscles, leaving you frequently stumbling, dragging your feet on carpets, and feeling dangerously unstable whenever you walk on uneven ground. By taking a sublingual methylcobalamin supplement right before you go to bed, you completely bypass your compromised digestive system entirely, flawlessly delivering this vital, life-changing nutrient directly into your bloodstream, where it is desperately needed. While you are deep in sleep, this remarkable vitamin goes straight to work, actively and aggressively regenerating the damaged myelin sheath, fully restoring those crucial electrical connections, and completely reversing the terrifying, painful symptoms of peripheral neuropathy. Leading neurology journals and the NIH have repeatedly proven that restoring optimal B12 levels can dramatically improve your physical balance, rapidly restore lost reflexes, and completely eliminate the mysterious, shooting aches that keep you tossing and turning in agony all night long. You will quickly begin to wake up with legs that finally feel responsive, firmly grounded, and completely nutrient you must actively replenish is vitamin D3. Often completely misunderstood by the general public as merely a simple bone vitamin, vitamin D3 is actually a highly powerful, steroid-like hormone that serves as the ultimate muscle builder, systemic inflammation reducer, and vital sleep optimizer. The National Institutes of Health has published extensive, peer-reviewed studies revealing that a truly shocking percentage of older adults are severely, dangerously deficient in this crucial nutrient, leading directly to a devastating, highly common condition known as sarcopenia, which is the accelerated, dangerous, and progressive loss of skeletal muscle mass and overall physical strength. When you consistently lack adequate D3 in your bloodstream, your body simply cannot synthesize new muscle tissue efficiently, no matter how much healthy protein you eat or how much you desperately try to exercise your fading legs. Furthermore, relying on sunlight alone is absolutely not enough, especially as aging skin naturally loses its biological ability to successfully synthesize this complex vitamin effectively from the sun's ultraviolet rays. Taking a high-quality vitamin D3 supplement specifically at night is a brilliant strategic masterstroke because it directly interacts with the specialized muscle receptors responsible for storing vital muscle glycogen, seamlessly providing your legs with the essential energy reserves they desperately need to function properly without experiencing sudden, overwhelming, and debilitating fatigue during the day. Additionally, D3 acts as a profound, incredibly powerful systemic inflammation reducer, aggressively seeking out and completely neutralizing the fiery, painful, damaging inflammation that stubbornly settles deep into your knee joints, your hips, and your calves after a long, biological compounds, significantly optimizing your overall sleep architecture by drastically reducing the physical discomfort that frequently disrupts your crucial rapid eye movement sleep cycles. By actively replenishing your D3 levels nightly, you are essentially commanding your brain and body to actively rebuild torn muscle fibers and permanently halt the terrifying, rapid progression of sarcopenia, ensuring that your legs do not continue shrinking, wasting away, and weakening with each passing month. Yet, as incredibly powerful and transformative as vitamin D3 truly is for your muscles and sleep, taking it completely alone can actually be incredibly dangerous and highly counterproductive if you are completely missing the final, most crucial piece of this biological puzzle. This brings us directly to the climax of our nighttime protocol and the absolute missing link in the ongoing battle against severe leg weakness and bodily aging. The third and undeniably most overlooked vitamin you must absolutely include in your nightly routine is vitamin K2, specifically in the highly bioavailable, long-lasting 7 Malawian form. This extraordinary nutrient is the ultimate calcium traffic controller of the human body, and its biological role is so profoundly vital that ignoring it could literally put your life at severe, immediate risk. Here is the hidden, terrifying truth that the highly profitable mainstream medical system rarely bothers to clearly explain to older adults. When you take vitamin D3, it significantly and rapidly increases the total amount of calcium your body actively absorbs from your daily diet and supplements. However, vitamin D3 is completely blind. It has absolutely no biological ability to direct that newly absorbed, highly concentrated right out of your flowing bloodstream and forcefully directing it directly into your skeletal bone matrix, where it is desperately needed to rapidly restore bone density and completely reverse dangerous, age-related frailty. By strategically taking vitamin K2 directly alongside your vitamin D3 at night, you are absolutely ensuring that your aging bones are being actively remineralized, strengthened, and fortified while you sleep, completely preventing the dangerous, life-threatening calcification of your arteries and perfectly maintaining the crucial, pain-free flexibility of your leg joints. Strengthening calcium in your bloodstream will be perfectly, flawlessly directed into your bones, exactly where nature always intended it to go. This is the ultimate, universally scientifically proven strategy for fully reclaiming your lost strength, drastically optimizing your nighttime physical recovery, and guaranteeing ensuring that your legs remain incredibly strong, vibrantly energized, and fiercely capable for many, many beautiful decades to come. You possess the incredible power to completely reverse the damage, and it all beautifully begins with this remarkably simple, highly targeted, and profoundly effective nighttime protocol. Your body is incredibly resilient, remarkably forgiving, and it is merely waiting patiently for you to provide these critical, missing pieces of the biological puzzle. Now that you finally know the absolute truth about these three vital, life-changing nutrients, it is time to make a serious, unwavering commitment to your own personal health, mobility, and long-term longevity. If this detailed video helped you truly understand the real, hidden reasons behind your frustrating leg weakness and provided you with a highly clear, perfectly actionable, and deeply hopeful path forward, do not forget to hit the like button right now. Share it immediately with someone you deeply care about who might also be silently struggling with their daily mobility, and subscribe to our channel for more empowering, highly researched, science-based health secrets. Your continued support genuinely helps us continue aggressively exposing these hidden truths and bringing you the vital, life-saving information that the profitable mainstream industry constantly tries to keep buried and hidden from the public. Together, we can successfully build a highly strong, beautifully informed, and fiercely independent community of empowered individuals who absolutely refuse to let the natural passing of time dictate their physical limitations. Take your essential vitamins. Tonight, allow yourself to truly rest, knowing that your body is quietly and continuously working behind the scenes, gently repairing, restoring, and strengthening itself with every passing moment in the dark. As you sleep, your muscles begin to recover, your nerves start to reset, and your body slowly rebuilds the strength and stability you may have felt slipping away. There is no rush, no pressure, just a natural, steady process of healing that happens when you give your body the support it needs. Close your eyes with a sense of calm and reassurance, trusting that each hour of deep rest is helping you move closer to stronger, more stable, and more confident movement. And when morning comes, you won't just wake up. You'll rise with a renewed sense of balance, a little more strength in your legs, and a quiet confidence that carries you forward into your day. Step by step, you are building a future where you can move freely, feel steady, and live independently with ease and peace of mind. Because you truly deserve to feel strong, capable, and in control of your life, today, tomorrow, and for many years to come.